Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to scramble the Rubik's Cube 3 on 3. Let's assume that the white face is at the top, so you turn the back layer twice. Let's turn it a little bit. Top layer clockwise to the left, left twice, doesn't matter to which side, once, twice. Top clockwise to the left, right twice, once, twice, bottom twice, once, twice, back twice, left twice, and right twice. Front layer counterclockwise, top counterclockwise to the right, left twice, doesn't matter to which side, once, twice, right clockwise upward, front counterclockwise, top clockwise to the left, left counterclockwise upward, back clockwise, bottom clockwise, front twice, doesn't matter to which side, and left clockwise downward. And you're ready. You can add more steps if you want, but this is good enough. So good luck.